heroes. Citizens in Bengaluru have now stepped up and are wanting to aid in this fight of the COVID pandemic. I'm going to take you through these citizens, particularly who belong to various different fields in the IT background and the education sector, who've come together, surpassed all the red tapeism in Bengaluru that there would or could have been, and now set up a 100-bed hospital, much to the amazement of the BBMP and the Karnataka government. In fact, they kick-started this project called COHEAL, which has 45 oxygenated beds, 34 general beds, oxygen concentrators, X-rays, 24-hour doctors, nurses, video consultations, ambulances to treat COVID patients, and all 3 meals as well served to them. This is a joint effort that's been carried out by Globals, Presidency University, Rotary Manyata, and the hospital medical support is provided by Suhas General and Charitable Hospital there. Now, this was started as an effort by some of the young people in Bengaluru who came together, and instead of blaming the government, decided that they've got to do something for the community that they belong to. BBMP has now wholeheartedly embraced this facility and has listed this for people to now avail this facility legally.
With the help of the BBMP, we have started this 100-bedded hospital here in Hebbar. So it includes 30 beds of ICU and HDU beds, and 35 of oxygen beds, and 6 of triage center, and 20 are the regular beds.
Right.
We don't want to blame any government in this time. Governments, there is lack of government this thing also. Before that, we have to discharge our duties.
I have with me a bunch of citizens who are responsible, who have their own successful businesses, have come together to start this 100-bed facility for the purpose of aiding in this pandemic.
We are looking at setting it up. So we have 45 general beds, 45 oxygenated beds, 34 general beds and 15 ICU beds. We have oxygen concentrators, food available for the patients 3 times a day, and medicines available for COVID patients for their care. If anybody who is having SpO2 levels less than 90, they can definitely come here, get admitted and get treated. We also have well-trained nurses, well-trained doctors who are able to treat them here. We also have ambulance facilities.
As a mid-sized company, one thing that you always aspire to do is to step in when you see depressing news. And you would also have the guilt indicating that, okay, fine, am I only sitting at home, or is it something that I could go that extra mile to support? So it's when Amruta conceptualized of this project COHEAL, where the whole idea is you could have a joint CSR with a unified efforts.
We decided that we'll do something for the for the Bangalore, and we'll try to make it more easy. But like easy in the sense, we'll not take any charges for the patient, 3 times meal also for the patient. Excellent. With medicines, all those things.
Excellent. Concerned citizens who have thriving businesses themselves have now come forward, clubbed together and started this initiative. Now it's been supported by the BBMP and listed as one of the sub-care centers, which will soon be a full-fledged hospital in days to come here to aid in this pandemic in Bengaluru. With camera person Pawan Kumar, Nabila Jamal for India Today, Bengaluru.